In this video, we are talking about the Baby Brezza Bottles, the Baby Brezza Bottle Brush, and the Baby Brezza Bottle Cleaning Cloths. Alright, so this is an official unboxing video of these things. Although I will not necessarily be pulling these out right now, I will be pulling them out soon enough. So let's talk about the Baby Brezza Bottles first. So first of all, full disclosure, Baby Brezza sent us all of this stuff to look at. I haven't used it, so I have no real opinion on it at this point. However, you will know from watching some of my previous videos that I absolutely love the Baby Brezza products. So the Baby Brezza bottle, we received a 5-ounce bottle, and according to this packaging, it says that this bottle is only 2 pieces. Well, really it's 3 because you got the lid, but really the nipple does not come out of the collar of this bottle. Now this is for the first stage of life, so 0 to 3 months, this particular bottle is. It's got a venting system here, and this is a wide mouth bottle so that you can easily pour formula in and easily put your hand in to clean it. Look, how often can you touch the bottom of one of your bottles with your hand? Because most of those bottles are thin and you have to use a bottle brush. But it's cool that Baby Brezza sent these bottle brushes. So let's pull all 3 of these bottles out. Take a look at the bottom. This is cool because on the bottom, you may not be able to see it because of focus. It says, "I drink until I pass out," kind of funny. This one says, "Bottoms up." That's fun. And this one says, "Keep calm and latch on." I love that little thing that they did with that. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so we've got the bottle brushes, and what it looks like is these bottle brushes can attach and detach from the different brushes. So like if you have one in the wash or one is dirty, you can just reattach it and use a different bottle brush. It's got little foam things at the end to unlock a lot of bottle brushes, and then it has this. So this is softer, these foam pads are softer. And then we have the cleaning cloths. Wow. So these are the easiest way to clean a wide mouth bottle. So you can take this cloth and it's got a little place for you to hold on to it, and then just put down into the wide mouth bottle. Now, you might want to see this in action, and you will see this in action on another video in the future, but right now we're just taking a look at what Baby Brezza has sent us. So we also have a video on sterilizing your bottles, because you need to do that before you feed your baby. And also it's like a bottle holder, so it's also really cool. And we'll have that video right over here, in this area, right over this general area right here. Okay, until then, we'll see you in the next video.